how to reset the AutoCAD to their default settings, means to the original settings. You have to go into the all apps, or same like in window 10, window 7. Okay, and I have window 11, so I will go in the AutoCAD. In the folder you will see reset settings to default. Here you will press. Okay, AutoCAD is currently running. I will close that AutoCAD. Okay, I will again go back, all apps, AutoCAD, and here I will reset settings to default. Okay, so reset custom setting or backup this current setting and reset to custom setting, so it will bring to its original settings. Okay, here I will be backup my current setting. Okay, the original settings for AutoCAD English has been successfully reset. That's all. Now AutoCAD is it in its original settings, means that is again will start from scratch. Okay, okay, here you can see again new file, all things are same as it